If you live aboard your boat, or even if you just go out at weekends, you'll know how important it is to keep an eye on the weather. When planning a trip or a long voyage, we all take a good look at the weather to make sure we're not going to be caught out by the odd storm or lightning. There's nothing worse than going into town for provisions, only to find that your boat wasn't where you left it, and you've now got to row or motor into a fetch that's travelled about 2 miles across the bay. Not nice at all. To help us keep an eye on the weather, we use this app, Windy, and we've got the premium version. We're not sponsored by Windy in any shape or form, but the premium version really is worth its weight in gold. It allows us to plan our trips and look at when the best time to depart is according to the weather. We know that Impavidus can reach about 8.4, 8.5 knots if the wind's at the right angle, and so when we're planning our trips we try and get the best wind angle and the best wind speed, which for us is about 17 knots. In this video we're going to show you how we use Windy to plan our routes and our departure time, and by the way, we're not sponsored by Windy. This is just for you. Enjoy the video, guys. Well, hello sailors. Whether you're racing, cruising or just heading out for a relaxing day on the water, knowing the wind and weather is absolutely essential. Today I'll show you how we use Windy, the app, one of the most powerful weather tools available, to plan your sailing trips. By the end of this video you'll know how to read forecasts, track weather patterns and set up alerts so that you'll never get caught off guard again. Most of the features that we're going to show you today are available free with the app, but some you'll need to have a subscription for, and Windy does this for a very reasonable price. Now, just to confuse you before you start, there are actually 2 apps, both called Windy. This is the one we use. Windy is spelt with a capital W and it has this double swoosh logo on a red background. It's available as an app for your phone, tablet or even for your PC or Mac. Today for illustration I'll be using the Windy app via their website. It's a bit clearer and simpler to use, but it's exactly the same on a phone or on a tablet. When you first open the app on your phone or tablet, you'll see that Windy logo. It will then open up to a default page which will be roughly centered on where you are. You can zoom in like this to give you a more local perception of the weather. Once you've got your precise location, you can then go to the top in the center and get a forecast for that area like this. You'll see here that we've got the basic forecast and we're using the ECMWF forecasting model because we think that this is probably the most accurate where we are. However, if you have a different forecasting model which you prefer, you can change it at the bottom, or you can change to things like wave and tides or just wind. The free version gives you 5 days of forecast. The premium version gives you up to 15. Using the menu bar on the bottom right, you can then change to different types of view, showing you wind, hurricanes, gusts, dew points, all sorts of different things, including, but not limited to, radar. Yes, weather radar. And this is on the free version. Add the subscription to your package and you can get weather warnings for storms and lightning and all sorts. Here's a short sequence that I recorded on a Mac showing the storm that came through Syracuse the other day. It shows every single lightning strike, and the radar shows you where the heaviest rain is. You can also overlay temperatures and isobars so that you can see where the high and low pressures are, and also what the temperatures are in those areas. With the premium version you can plan a route via a set of waypoints. Each waypoint is displayed in the bar at the bottom. Set your mode of transport to boat, and then you set your boat speed in knots. The program does a basic calculation based on your average speed that you've set, in our case 6 knots, and then you can slide the top bar forward or backward so that you can see what the weather's likely to be at any point on the voyage. Really handy. Again, the animation will show you wind speed and direction. It also tells you what the temperature's likely to be and what the precipitation is likely to be. It also tells you what the wave height is likely to be. That's really handy. These routes can be saved and you can go back to them at a later date, or change your plans altogether. It's good to remember that this is a prediction and not as it's actually going to be. After all, this is forecasting. The subscription is reasonably priced. I can't tell you exactly what it is at the moment, but it's a lot cheaper than some of the other route planning programs that are on the internet. We found this extremely useful in our route planning and our navigation. Tied in with Navionics, this really is a good all-round piece of software to be able to get your hands on. Using a single login, you're able to save your routes and your plans into your favourites and then open them up on either your phone or your tablet or even your PC or Mac. Again, that's really handy. You can even share your routes and plans and forecasts with friends using the window in the bottom left hand corner. How good's that? You can also change or modify these routes once you've saved them. Again, how good's that? The information displayed in the bottom bar can be customised to waves, tides, wind. You can even drag the timeline forward so you can see what's going to be happening next week. Amazing. There's not many pieces of kit that do that, is there? Dragging the timeline even further forward on this illustration gives you a really good prediction of what you're likely to see condition-wise out at sea. We won't be going anywhere in that. If you have the premium version, you can go to My Favourites and set up an alert for storms or heavy rain. This is particularly useful if you're at anchor and you happen to be in town. The alert comes straight to your phone and gives you a chance to get back to the boat before the bad weather sets in. Windy is just one of the pieces of software we use on board. Now, this isn't a full-blown demonstration of what Windy can do, far from it. There's plenty of those on YouTube if you care to take a look. I'll put a link in the description. But it shows you what you can do with both the free version and the pro version or paid for subscription version. If you've enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more of the software that we use, simply let us know in the description. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe. It costs you nothing and it really helps us out making these videos. Until next time guys, don't forget, wear that kill cord and sail safe. Bye for now.